Let an equal to bn plus 1 divided by bn, where b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1, and bn plus 2 equal to bn plus bn plus 1 for all natural number. Means this is the sum of previous two, then limit of an is. And limit is unique, so only one option will be true here. Now you can check trial b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1, and bn plus 2 given by bn plus bn plus 1. From here, b3 will be b1 plus b2, and b1 is 1 plus 1 equals 3. b4 will be b2 plus b3, and b2 is 1 plus 3 is 4. Means bn is increasing rapidly. b3 is 3, b4 is 4, and b5 you can see here b3 plus b4. b3 is 3 and b4 is 4 is 7. So b5 is 7. So you can check bn increasing rapidly as n increase. Now an, this is an given by bn plus 1 divided by bn. Means this is nothing but quotient of previous two terms. Quotient of previous two terms of bn. Means next term divided by previous term consecutively. bn is defined like this. Now come to the solution. What is the limit of an? As limit of an will equal to limit of an plus 1. I use this one because we know the relation of bn plus 2, and I can use this one conveniently. So limit of an plus 1 can be written as bn plus 2 1 more divided by 1 less n plus 1, because an is bn plus 1 divided by bn. If n is, this is plus 1, then plus 1 here and plus 1 here, we obtain bn plus 2 divided by bn plus 1. So I use this one. And bn is given to us bn plus 1. Use here, it will be limit n tends to infinity bn plus 1 divided by bn. Now it will be limit n tends to infinity 1 plus bn divided by bn plus 1, and here in left hand side limit of an. As an is given to us bn plus 1 divided by bn, so take its reciprocal. So 1 upon an will be bn divided by bn plus 1. Use here. So I can use limit here also. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon an, or you can take outside. And limit of an is consider or let, you can understand. Consider or let limit of an is L, So this side L, 1 plus 1 upon L. It means L square equal to L plus 1. This implies L square minus L minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of L. Now by quadratic formula, we will get plus minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC divided by 2. So this gives you 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2, and this is 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 in option A. Now in option A, negative and positive is given to us. Now as Bn is positive term series, so An or limit of An will be positive. We know root 5 is 2 point something because root 4 is 2. So root 5 will be greater than 2. So 2 point something, and 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. This cannot be answer because this is negative value. So positive, we can choose option D is right.